Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, let's go over on how you can fix Valorant error code VAL43. So the first thing that you want to do is to go ahead and make sure that your Vanguard is running automatically. So you can then head over to the run program right here, search for services.msc, and from here you then want to search for VGC, which is going to be the Vanguard for our Valorant. So you want to double click on it, set it to automatic, and from here you then want to click on the start button. This will then go ahead and fix the VAL error code 43. But if you're still having some problems, we can then go ahead and try clearing out corrupted data. To do that, once again, head over to the run program, head over to %app data %. From here, you then want to go ahead and go back onto the app data location, click on local, and basically from here, you then want to find Riot Games. Inside Riot Games, we then have the Valorant folder right here. So you can just head over to the Valorant folder, and from here you then want to click on the folder called local. But if you did not go ahead and see that, you can just delete the Valorant folder altogether. You can also try deleting the Riot client folder right here, but in my case I'm not going to do that. And from there, you can then try updating your graphics card, restarting your computer or router, temporarily disabling antivirus, and you want to reinstall Riot Vanguard if all of these solutions mentioned did not help you fix the problem. And so, if this video has helped you, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.